Okay, let's start. First I will save the file, give it name, let's say box, folder sheet metal. You can choose folder you like. I press save. And now I will create new component that would be sheet metal base. We'll call it base. Click OK. First I will create sketch in this sheet metal and center the sketch using these horizontal and vertical constraints. Center middle of this side with origin and middle of this side of rectangle and to origin. Now let's dimension it. Let's say 500 millimeters by 1000 millimeters, or that's too much, let's say 800. That's okay, and finish the sketch. Now go to sheet metal and choose flange or base of the sheet metal. Click on rectangle and now select material thickness. We want material thickness to be 2 millimeters and want to be steel. And press OK. Now we have material here. If we want to change material, we go here and pick another material from this list. Also, we can create new material by clicking here and click here. New rule. We will create new material just to see how it goes. Steel 2 millimeters and give it some name, let's say box. Thickness 2 millimeters. This meter rib seam gap will be thickness divided by 2 and save. Close, and now we will choose that material from here. So we have our base part, we have a sheet metal rule here, and click this icon to switch rule and choose this new sheet metal material we just created. Press OK. Now we will create flange. Something like that. We click OK. Now again the same command here, select this edge, and let's say 25 millimeters, and once again we go select this edge, these two edges also, and let's say 25 millimeters and press OK. Now we have sheet metal part that looks like this. We can unfold this part. So let's do that again. Just go to unfold. It requires us to select stationary entity. We select this part. Bends, we want to unfold all bends. Select that and it unfold all bends of our box. Refold faces, that's okay, but I will delete that. So at this point we have this base of our sheet metal box. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends, family and colleagues who might find it useful.